How does Phoenix dry heat really feel compared to humid heat? Imagine stepping outside into a blazing sun and feeling a wave of heat that seems to wrap around you like a warm blanket. Now, picture that same temperature but with a damp, sticky feeling in the air. That's the difference between the dry heat of Phoenix and the humid heat you might experience in other parts of the country. In Phoenix, the air is incredibly dry, with humidity often below 10%. This means the air has very little moisture, which affects how the heat feels on your skin. When it's hot in Phoenix, sweat evaporates quickly because there's nothing in the air to hold onto the moisture. This rapid evaporation helps your body cool down faster, so even if the temperature climbs above 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it might not feel as oppressive as you'd expect. The heat can feel intense but often more tolerable because your body is actively cooling itself through evaporation. On the other hand, in places with humid heat, like the southeastern United States, the air is filled with moisture. When it's hot there, sweat stays on your skin because the moisture in the air prevents it from evaporating. This makes you feel sticky and much hotter than the thermometer suggests. It's like being in a sauna or a hot shower, where the moisture makes it harder for your body to cool down. The feels like temperature in humid areas can be several degrees higher than the actual air temperature, making it feel even more uncomfortable. The physical sensations are quite different. In Phoenix, you might notice the air feels lighter and less oppressive, even at high temperatures. You won't feel as sweaty or sticky, but you still need to stay hydrated because the dry air causes water loss through evaporation. It's easy to forget how much fluid you're losing because you don't feel as drenched as you would in humid heat. In humid climates, the constant dampness can make breathing feel more difficult and cause discomfort. The sticky feeling can make you want to seek shade or air conditioning more often. The risk of heat exhaustion or heat stroke is higher in humid weather because your body struggles to cool itself efficiently. For visitors planning a trip to Phoenix, understanding this difference is key. Even though the dry heat might seem more bearable, it can still dehydrate you quickly. Always carry plenty of water, wear sun protection, and avoid the hottest parts of the day. The dry climate means you might not feel as sweaty, but your body is still working hard to cool down and needs hydration to stay safe. So, to sum it up, Phoenix dry heat feels intensely hot but is less sticky and more manageable because of the quick sweat evaporation. Humid heat, by contrast, feels hotter and more uncomfortable because moisture in the air traps sweat on your skin, making you feel much more drenched and overheated. Knowing this can help you prepare better and enjoy your trip safely in the desert sun.